Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth, our giant spinning home, just stopped? It sounds like something out of a disaster movie. But let's dive into the science behind this mind-bending scenario. Right now, as you're watching this, the Earth is rotating on its axis at a blistering speed. At the equator, it's spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, or about 1,000 miles per hour. We don't feel it because everything around us, the atmosphere, the oceans, even the air in this room, is moving along with us. It's like being in a car cruising at a constant speed. You don't feel the motion until the driver hits the brakes. So, let's hit the brakes on planet Earth. Imagine it happens instantly. In that single catastrophic second, the Earth's solid surface grinds to a halt. But everything not bolted down, it keeps going. Thanks to inertia, everything on the surface, people, cars, trees, buildings, you name it, would be launched eastward at that incredible speed of over 1,600 kilometers per hour. To put that in perspective, that's faster than the speed of sound. Nothing on Earth is built to withstand that kind of force. Every building would be ripped from its foundation and torn to shreds. Every living creature would be flung into a supersonic, chaotic mess. It would be an instantaneous global cataclysm. But the destruction wouldn't stop there. The atmosphere, which was also moving along with the Earth, would continue its momentum. This would create winds of unimaginable ferocity, far more powerful than any hurricane ever recorded. These winds would scour the surface of the planet, eroding mountains and tearing through anything that might have survived the initial jolt. The friction from this supersonic wind would generate so much heat that it would likely cause massive, planet-wide firestorms, igniting everything flammable. The sound alone would be deafening, a continuous sonic boom wrapping around the entire globe. Now let's talk about the oceans. The vast bodies of water that cover 70% of our planet would also keep moving. This would trigger the most colossal tsunamis imaginable. A single unified wave of water would surge eastward, washing over entire continents. Think of a wave not meters but kilometers high, moving at supersonic speeds. It would sweep across the land, submerging everything in its path, from coastal cities to inland mountain ranges. The sheer force would reshape the continents themselves, carving new canyons and erasing old landscapes. The entire planet's surface would be violently rearranged by this global flood. If, by some miracle, anything survived this initial chaos, the new reality would be just as grim. With the Earth no longer spinning, the normal cycle of day and night would cease to exist. One side of the planet would face the sun permanently, while the other would be plunged into eternal darkness. The sun-facing side would become a scorching desert, with temperatures soaring high enough to boil water and bake the ground into a cracked, lifeless wasteland. The dark side would become an icy freezer, with temperatures plummeting to hundreds of degrees below zero. A narrow twilight zone might exist between these two extremes, but the intense temperature gradient would create constant, violent storms, making it uninhabitable. The Earth's magnetic field, generated by the motion of its liquid iron core, would also likely weaken or disappear entirely. This field protects us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. Without it, the sun's radiation would bombard the surface, making life impossible even in the twilight zone. Our planet would be left barren, exposed, and silent. One half scorched, the other frozen, with a turbulent, stormy band in between. It would be a dead world, a testament to the delicate balance that allows life to thrive. So, the next time you feel the gentle breeze or watch a sunrise, take a moment to appreciate the quiet, constant spin of our planet. It's a silent, powerful force that keeps our world stable and alive. Thankfully, the laws of physics ensure our planet will keep on turning for billions of years to come. What a relief, right? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more explorations into the what-ifs of our incredible universe. See you in the next one.